Dr. BC, my teacher taught me the quadratic equation. If ax squared, plus bx plus c, equals 0, then x equals negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared, minus 4ac, all over 2a. But where does that equation come from?
Do you want to use standard algebra to derive it?
Sure.
Okay. Let's start by putting every term that does not contain x on the right of the equal sign. How would you do that?
Since c is the only term with no x in it, I would subtract c from both sides.
Perfect. Now it gets a bit tricky. We need to make the term on the left a perfect square. Before we do you remember how to calculate x plus y squared?
Sure. X plus y squared is x plus y times x plus y. Just FOIL the terms. First, outside, inside, last. That gives x squared, plus 2xy, plus y squared.
Well done. We want to get our equation on the right into that form. A perfect square plus another perfect square, plus 2 times the square root of the other terms multiplied together. Let's start with the center term. We can make it a multiple of 2 by multiplying our entire equation times 2. Now we need to make our first term a perfect square. How would we do that?
X is already squared, but the 2 and the a are not. If we multiply the entire equation by 2a, that would do it. Right?
Exactly. Now all we have to do is deal with the b in the middle term by adding b squared. We now have a perfect square on the left. Don't worry. The hard part is now over. Take the square root of both sides. Remember, whenever you take the square root, to always include the positive and negative root. Can you see what to do now?
I sure can. Subtract b from both sides. Now divide both sides by 2a. And we are done.
Well done. Thanks for watching.